Hello friends, this is Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. Our today's topic is properties of factors. As you know, factor is a number which divides given number exactly without any remainder. So let's see properties of factors. 1 multiplied by 2 gives 2. 1 multiplied by 3 gives 3. 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. And 1 multiplied by 5 equals 5. That means if we multiply any number by 1, we get that number only. So, from this we can say 1 is a factor of every number. 2 divided by 2 gives 1. 3 divided by 3 gives 1. 4 divided by 4 gives 1. And 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Means when you divide any number by itself, you get 1 as an answer. From that we can say every number is factor of itself because that number divide it exactly without any remainder. Now 12 divided by 1 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. And 12 divided by 12 equals 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are less than 12. So we can say every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number and every factor is less than or equal to the given number. One more thing is that number of factors of a given numbers are finite. We can count the number of factors. So that factors are finite. Friends, these are the properties of factors. I hope you would understand all these. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. Thank you.